Hi, Ashwin.
Hello.
It's good to see you again. And I noticed that your backdrop has that letter B for Bitcoin. And it was only recently that I understood how Bitcoin is mined and how we keep them in our electronic wallets, as it were. There's,
Great.
there's a lot of confusion about this cryptocurrency, and I'm hoping that today you will shed some light and bring us some clarity.
Definitely.
So many different cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin is the major big name. Everybody knows Bitcoin. But now with the metaverse and AI and what the other one is augmented reality, I'm afraid I'm a bit lost. Can you help me a little bit?
Of course, Jesse. Thank you very much for inviting me to speak once again. Now, to us, we have an algorithm. We're mining data every day. We're looking at what's happening. Bitcoin, altcoins, all kinds of coins. There are more than 3,000 coins. So with all that data mining that our algo is conducting, we would like to say one major thing. Bitcoin is yesterday's news.
Oh,
We are not saying that it cannot go up from here further in value. Okay, it's now below 38,000, 37, 38,000. We're not saying that it won't go up in value. What we are saying that since 2016, Bitcoin has risen 15,000% in value. At that time,
yeah,
it was just $400 over dollars.
yeah. It was
What
the
we are
sexy for a
saying is
while.
that is over. We do not see Bitcoin going up another 15,000% in value over the next 3 to 4 years, or even 5 years. We don't see that. So, the video that we're talking about today on this video is very important. We are going to give you a teaser that is very, very vital to the future of the crypto market. Now, the whole focus has now shifted. The focus is now on a coin that has 3 major uses. The criteria has changed. Now, when people want to invest in a coin nowadays, they're looking at 3 major uses. Number 1, is it strong in the blockchain sector? Is it being used in blockchain? Is it strong? When I say blockchain, means the coin has to have very powerful smart contracts. Unfortunately, Bitcoin doesn't have those powerful smart contracts. Secondly, can this coin be used to power Web 3.0? And thirdly, can this coin be used in the metaverse?
So let me stop you right there. What is the Internet 3.0 and the metaverse? How is that
the Internet 3.0, the metaverse is part of Internet 3.0. Internet 3.0 will be a 3D environment as opposed to Net 2.0, which was 2D.
Okay.
Web 3.0 is a 3D where instead of looking at our computer screen, you and me can meet inside the internet virtually, and virtual reality and augmented reality. But I'll explain to you in a minute what is that.
So that's when you wear that
Virtual reality means, okay, you buy that oversized bathtub, I always call it. You buy that oversized bathtub and put it on your face, and then you can watch inside, right? You can go inside.
Yeah.
That's virtual reality. Augmented reality refers to the software.
Okay.
The software. Okay. And that is going to be a huge market. Very big market. It is going to expand by more than 128%.
And by blockchain, I'm assuming you mean security.
The market in value is going to appreciate by more than 128%. And those involved in the production of the software, the augmented reality for the metaverse will be huge. Now, why I'm mentioning this as well, last night the market panicked because Facebook declared that they had spent more than $10 billion of money developing this augmented reality in the metaverse. Now, it's not cheap. It costs money. And because of that, when the market heard that and when the market saw the earnings were a bit weak, they started selling Facebook stock down 21%. Now, actually, from a mature point of view, we've already said, right? When there's blood on the streets, we like to buy.
So just for clarification,
Yeah.
one platform is Facebook, another one is Apple, but presumably
No, don't get
other
confused.
platforms.
Metaverse is metaverse. Now,
Okay.
there are many companies developing their own version of the metaverse. Facebook, Apple, Nike,
Right.
Roblox, whatever.
Okay.
So, in the end, all those worlds will converge into one big world. So don't get confused.
Okay.
So if Facebook is spending 10 over billion so far developing metaverse, and the stock is down 20%, I need not say anything.
I know your style.
Are you looking at the short term or the long term? The metaverse is going to be ready in the next 3 years. The choice
invest
is
or punt, as you say.
The choice
Scalp
is yours.
or invest.
Invest as in take position and wait. Punt as in do a scalping and panic.
Yeah.
We are looking at a very exciting opportunity here. Let me give you, I'm practically giving you a free tip here. Facebook is now below 250 per share. In 3 years from now, anybody watching this video will say, I should have bought.
Not me, hopefully.
I should have, I could have, I should have done this. Do you know when Facebook first opened, it didn't have a mobile phone device to come on the mobile phone.
Right.
And the stock dropped. The stock dropped 50%.
Yeah.
On the IPO. I mean, gradually it dropped 50%. And then what happened?
Yeah.
After that, something happened, right? Now, any company developing the metaverse has to spend money first.
Right.
So this is what people
it's
are doing.
Expected that the value of the company is being built.
Yeah. So we are being given a beautiful opportunity here. So let me come back to our main question. So as Bitcoin, it's no longer the main coin because we are looking at a different angle now. Whether it can be on the metaverse, whether it can be a Web 3.0, whether it can be the blockchain. It's very important. And the blockchain component has become very important because we need to know, is this coin blockchain compatible in a big way? And does it have stable and sharp smart contracts? It's very important.
Right.
So let me give you this revelation. Our retail as well as private clients made 190% in 2021 buying the derivative of this coin that I'm talking about.
Oh.
Okay. And in 2022, our algorithm sees the derivative of this coin climbing by at least 100%. It's huge. I will tell you in a moment why I'm talking like this. It is to justify the fees that we charge. You spend 5,000 for our fees in a year to get our brain, our algo, everything. You can make 100% of the investment in 1 year. What is 5,000?
And this is presumably the investment idea of the year.
Yes.
Right? This is
you are right, Tessie.
Of the year.
Yes. In fact, over the next 15 to 18 months, this will be the biggest trade in the crypto market and the market.
So it's 100% yield.
I'm saying 12 months.
Okay.
Give me the benefit of the doubt. Say 15 months, say 18 months. It's still good, right?
Right.
Let me give you a clue. Right now, this coin is moving together with the stock market.
Okay, and does that normally happen?
When the stock market goes up, it goes up. When the stock market goes down, it goes down. So you can see in the recent stock market volatility, this coin has dropped 47% from the recent high.
Buy. I know you'll say buy.
You see, today is a very important video, Tessie.
Yeah.
You know Facebook has dropped below 250.
Yeah.
And this coin, I will not mention the name. This coin has dropped 47% from the high. I mean, you can do your
math. Are you saying that this correlation with this coin and Facebook and the stock market?
No, nothing to do with that.
Okay.
All I said was this coin is correlated with the stock market.
Okay.
When the stock market goes up, this coin goes up. When the stock market goes down, this coin goes down. For now, the correlation is like this. For now. It can change. Correlations can change.
Okay.
That's not
So
important.
again, I need to underscore how important it is to have expert advice.
Of course it is. Because, okay, let me tell you why.
If you're serious about improving something, get a coach. If
I will tell you why.
Listen.
I will tell you why.
If you want to improve your tennis, get a coach. If you want to improve your golf, get a coach.
Let me explain to you.
If you want to make money, get
you want to make money, don't say I'll do it myself, get a coach.
Yeah, get a coach.
But let me explain to you why. Let me explain to you why you need us. Now, we have just found out last week that billionaires Mark Andreessen, Peter Thiel, one of the earliest backers of Facebook, and Tim Draper, these are all billionaires. They have been buying this coin together with corporates like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, IBM, Microsoft, Amazon, and Walmart. And guess what? I'm not finished yet. Forbes has just found out that 24 companies worth 1 billion or more are pouring money into this coin. Now, I feel so embarrassed now when I tell you they're charging $5,000 a year. Jesse, really, who the hell cares? Can you see the value of our research? Our research tells you so many things.
When you're done,
I always tell potential clients, the value of our research alone is $5,000. Forget about making money.
Yeah, when you're done, you must tell us how to contact you and where to put the money, the money that we want to use to trade with.
I will tell you. Now, the usage of this coin has climbed from 500,000 in 2020 to over 1.5 million in 2021. Now, usage is just one thing, usage of the coin.
Right.
Now, another factor to look at is the hash rate. Okay? Its hash rate is approaching record levels of 1.11 pH/s per second, according to data from Glassnodes on January 27. Presently, the network's hash rate is a record high and is increased past what we call pH is petahash. Okay. The number is equivalent to around 1000 TH/s and indicates that the network's hash rate has risen. Listen to this. This coin's network, the hash rate has risen more than 66,000% since March 2016.
Well, all this is very technical for all of us.
Okay.
So I'm assuming that the hash rate is referring to some form of measure of the coin's effectiveness? Or
I will explain to you now.
Please.
What is the hash rate?
Right.
I repeat. The hash rate has risen more than 66,000% since 2016 March.
Mm-hmm.
What is a hash rate?
Right.
The hash rate is an indicator of how healthy the network of a coin is at any one time.
Uh-huh.
And is driven primarily by difficulty mining and the number of miners.
Okay, get it.
So this hash rate shows you how actively people are mining the coin and how actively people are joining the network of this coin.
I see.
Interesting, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So is there like a small comparison between this coin and Bitcoin in terms of hash rate?
I'm not going to go into that detail. We are focusing on this coin.
Okay.
We are telling you that Bitcoin is yesterday's news. We are telling you why. The focus of a coin now is blockchain, Web 3.0, and metaverse.
Okay.
If a coin cannot do active things in these things, there's no use.
And then it's on its way out.
For example, okay, I'll give you a story. Now. For example, there is a metaverse called Decentraland.
Yeah.
Of the many, many metaverse, there's one called Decentraland.
Mm.
Now, if you want to buy property in the Decentraland, which last sold for about $4,000, you cannot use cash to buy property or land. You can only use their coin to buy the land. And that coin is called Mana. M-A-N-A.
Mana from heaven.
Now, that coin also is going to go up in value. Our algo is monitoring the situation.
Right.
Can you see
because
from
it meets
one
those
subject,
3 criteria.
Can you see from one subject how much info we give you?
Yes. And that's how sure-footed you are. And I must stress that again and again. Go with the expert. If you're really serious about doing this, go with the expert.
You see, forget $5,000. We are your walking ATM.
Yes.
We are your walking ATM. Now let me explain to you.
Testament to that.
Okay, now I'll explain to you why the hash rate is so important. Let me explain to you why. When the hash rate rises, it indicates that more nodes are joining the network.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
And the network is becoming more decentralized.
Of course.
Okay?
Of course.
As a result, such an increase helps to cement the blockchain security.
Right. Yeah.
So
that's what
it
I
makes
said
the
just
blockchain
now.
more secure because
Right.
a lot of people joining the network.
Security, yes.
Yes. So our algo, this is the meat I'm giving you here. Our algo sees this coin climbing by at least 100%, the actual coin, over the next 12 to 15 months.
Right.
And at least 200% thereafter. The actual coin, not the derivative. The derivative we see 100% in 15 months, 12 to 15 months. The actual coin we see 100% in 12 to 15 months and 200% thereafter. You know why?
Amazing.
You know why? Because this coin is being heavily used in the metaverse.
Yeah.
It's blockchain. It's blockchain system.
Yeah.
I will not say
so
anything.
Is there any relevance in discussing risk with this asset class?
Okay, the usual risk is this. Because crypto is more volatile, can you afford a 20 to 40% paper loss at any one time?
So can you clarify? Simple. Can you clarify?
Paper loss means if you buy the coin and it drops 40%, you will not panic. It's paper loss. It's
so
not
what
loss.
You're saying is you need to ride out the 12 months.
Or even 15 months. There will be drops. Of course, there will be drops at 10%, 15%, 5%, 8%. If you can comfortably just close your eyes to say 20 to 40%, no problem.
Yeah.
I'm just using 40%. I'm just using 40% as an example because so far, for example, it is down 47% from the top.
So just park it there for 12 to 15 months.
Yes.
And you will see the yields.
Now let me tell you something else. We will make it easier for you. You don't have to buy the actual coin.
Okay.
Once you buy the derivative of the coin, your risk is reduced by 70-80%. Okay. So let me give you an example. Right now, looking at the derivative of the coin, if you buy the derivative of the coin right now, your risk is only 30%. Your paper risk is 30%. So if you can afford a paper risk of 30%, you can buy the derivative of the coin and make 100% in the next 12 to 15 months. Can you see it?
Okay. So the moral of the story is hold for 12 to 15 months and you will see your yields.
Yes. And you can either buy the actual coin or you can have a lower risk and buy the derivative of the coin.
Okay. Now you need to tell us how to get involved with this.
Okay.
Where do we park the money? How do we get involved?
Our retail service is a service to society. I'll tell you why. Our main money comes from private investors, private clients. We decided to do this retail service because of the COVID. People were, people got no jobs. People want to make their money work for them. Everybody's in trouble, whatever it is.
Yeah.
So that is why in this service, you only pay us $5,000 a year. That's all we take from you. We do not even take from you any performance fee, nothing. Whatever money you make during the 1 year is yours to keep. Okay. So what happens? I'm giving you a hypothetical situation now. So you agree to pay me $5,000. So we will then make you sign the documents to give us the authorization to do things for you when you're sleeping.
Okay.
So these things, they move at night after 2 a.m. in the morning.
So which broker do we use for crypto?
We have a specialized broker we have here. And that broker, we choose that broker because they are the only ones that trade the derivative of this coin.
Okay.
So we would require, where this coin is concerned, we would require you to open an account with them. But in this case, we will have to get a power attorney for you to hold your hand and everything. And then the money, let me stress, the money is in the broker's account in your name. We do not touch your money.
Okay.
We just tell you what to do. We do not touch your money.
So let's say you give me a piece of advice and then I have to execute on that website.
Yes. For this particular broker, they're the only ones doing the derivative of this coin. And they're very strict because they have an OTP code and all that. So we don't want to get involved. So we will tell you what to do. And you have to go into your own account and we will tell you what price, what level, whatever, when. You have to go and input the data yourself in this case only.
Okay.
Because this is only one broker doing the derivative of this coin. Not everyone does the derivative of this coin.
I see.
It is the opportunity, like I said, to make 100% in 15 months. It's huge. It's huge.
Okay.
And the risk level is only 20 to 40%, 20 to 30%.
It's a worthwhile endeavor.
Yeah. Look at the risk reward ratio. The reward is 100%. Your risk is 20 to 30%.
Right.
Makes sense, right? It's a calculated risk. It's a calculated risk. And you are going to buy a coin, the derivative of a coin that is going to be huge in blockchain, metaverse, and Web 3.0. Remember that. Okay. Remember that. Before you panic and it's dropped 20%, it's dropped 30%, remember this. Okay. This coin is going to be huge. And to assure yourself, billionaires are buying this coin.
So would it be like a Bitcoin after a while it would phase itself out?
No, I don't think so. We don't think so. In fact, we say it'll rule the world. This coin is going to rule the crypto market.
So it's got staying power.
Because the main thing is this, blockchain and smart contracts.
Right.
It's not about buying, selling, demand. No. We are talking about blockchain. Because now you can see the path. The cryptocurrency with a good blockchain and smart contract is going to rule the world.
Okay.
It's going to rule the financial markets. Soon you will have crypto in the financial markets. It's already happening. Yeah. You will have documentation. There will be no more TT, no more whatever. Everything will be blockchain because a blockchain is very transparent. An open ledger. You know what people are doing.
Yeah. And more it will be a decentralized finance system.
Yeah, it's already becoming decentralized. So what makes it decentralized even better and the good blockchain security is the hash rate. Imagine 66,000% up since March 2016. I can tell you the hash rate will go higher.
Yeah.
It's already trading at a record high according to Glassnode as of January 27.
Okay. So how do we contact you, Ashwin?
My email is ashwin@ppchk.net. On WhatsApp, it's bit.ly/algotrader. On Telegram, it's bit.ly/algofactory.
All right.
And of course, please come to YouTube, bit.ly/algowealth, and subscribe to our channel. And you will see and learn a lot of things. I can assure you that.
Thank you so much, Ashwin, for today. Thank you.
Thank you.